Hi, this video will cover installing an SSL certificate using the certbot webmin module. Start by clicking on certbot under servers and click on certificates. And here we'll click on Let's Encrypt Certificate Form. And for the host name, we'll put in the name we want to enable SSL for. I've created a demo here, certbot.enciva.com. And unless there's an existing vhost entry, you would just put in var www.html, which is the document root, and we'll set that to auto-renew every 2 months. And click Request Certificate. Okay, so see request succeeded, and it's now installed the SSL certificate, and we just need to add it to Apache, and we'll do that now. So if we go back to Server Certbot and click on Certificates, we now see that we've created the certbot.enciva.com certificate, and click on that, and this will give us the location, which is standardized. It will be under etc. Let's Encrypt Live, and then the domain name. And let's go over now to Apache. And in Apache, we'll do Edit Config Files and select the default SSL. And we'll go ahead and paste in the certificate names. Excuse me. And there are 3. The first is cert.pem, and the key file name is privkey. .pem. And then finally, to make sure there's no errors, we're going to also add the CA certificate, which is fullchain.pem, and we'll do save and close. And then restart Apache. And now if we go to our domain and refresh, we'll see that the SSL certificate is now installed and configured and ready for use.